Oh, hold on. I think I just click. Oh no, everything's disappeared. Oh no, there they are.
Hi, Nana. Happy Halloween.
Are you ready for me to read you the story?
I can't see Nana. I can't see you, Nana.
Oh, I'm here, look.
No.
Hello.
No, Nana, you have to turn your camera on.
All right.
Nana's terrifying Zoom call.
The year is 1932. A husband wearing a pea cap. His beautiful wife wearing a pretty bonnet.
Why, thank you, Nana.
And their 3-year-old son.
Wearing tiger pajamas.
Wearing tiger pajamas. Move into a red brick house in Dublin City.
Look at the size of this place. The Georgian architecture is quite splendid. I need a poo.
But as soon as they moved in, strange things started to happen.
Like what, Nana?
The lights would flick on and off.
That could just be a problem with the electrics, you know?
Doors would bang open and shut.
That could just be Tom. Oh.
Then, something really weird started to happen.
Oh, that is weird. Oh, the Wi-Fi isn't working, Nana.
Everything started floating. That night, when they were putting little Tom to bed,
I don't want to go to bed.
they heard a ghost wailing from beneath the house. The brave young family crept down the stairs into the cold, dark cellar.
And why are we going into the cold, dark cellar? Are you scared, are you? No. Let's go!
As they stood, huddled together, they realised something terrible.
They realised what?
They realised...
Nana, stop with the suspense, Nana. What did they realise? Nana, you're on mute.
Oh, sorry. Now, where was I? Oh, yeah. They realised...
What?
The ghost wasn't in front of them.
Well, where was it then? It's so exciting.
It
Yes.
was
Yes.
behind them!
Hi, Mum.
Hi, love. Now off to bed, Riches.
Night, Nana. Night, Nana.
It was Halloween night, and Kira's party wasn't going very well.
That's the third time this song is played tonight, Kira.
It's not my fault, complainy Colin. There just aren't enough Halloween songs to make a full playlist.
Oh, yeah?
Monsters?
Hit it!
I wanna be a werewolf. I wanna be like Frank. I wanna be like Dracula. I'm gonna grow some fangs. Gonna tease my hair up with a cool gray streak. Gonna terrify some local teens. Gonna teach a lesson about humankind. Be like, who's the monster? Is it you or I? Oh, I wanna be a werewolf. I wanna be a bat. I wanna be a skeleton. Live in a pumpkin patch. I wanna be a werewolf. I wanna be like Frank. I wanna be a Dracula. Yeah, I wanna be like that.
Did I miss it?
Oh, sorry, merman.
Oh, beans. Oh, not to worry. You've heard what these guys have to say. But how about a song from your favorite monster, the Merman? Everybody's scared of the Merman. Why? Because he's very spooky. Is he a fish or is he a man? You don't know, and that's compelling.
Let me tell you the story of Halloween. It began here, on this island, long ago in the time of druids, fierce Celtic kings and warriors. In those times, Halloween was known as Samhain. It was a festival to mark the passage of summer into winter. People gave thanks for their harvests and prayed for protection in the harsh months ahead. It was also believed that on Samhain night, the veils between this world and the other world dissolved, allowing the mysterious spirit folk, the RTÉjr, to roam among the living. People carried home the light of the sacred bonfire, believing it would ward off harmful spirits. They carved hideous turnip lanterns to scare the mischievous puka away. Food was prepared to welcome back the spirits of the dead. If offerings weren't made to appease the spirits, bad luck might follow. Some helpful children went door to door, reminding people to pay their dues. Years later, Samhain became known as All Hallows Eve, a time to pray for the holy souls. But the Irish carried their traditions to America, where Hallows Eve eventually became the frivolous commercial brouhaha we know.